So firstly, what you have to do is just simply choose a simple template, and before that click on create a design, and then just simply choose a background. So I'm going to create a logo in the size of Instagram post, as you can see right over here. So I'm going to choose this one. It's going to be 1880 by 1880. You can choose your own resolution if you want to. It's totally up to you. Once you have your blank canvas over here, go to the template section over here and just simply search for logo, and then just simply hit enter, and you will be given a lot of templates related to logos, as you can see right over here. Now, a lot of them will be paid. You might have to take the subscription for Canva, and you will also find a few free ones over here as well. So this will look for the logo that suits your brand. So let's say, for example, you're trying to create a logo for your clothing brand. So if you have something specific in mind, all you have to do is just simply search for that in the search bar as well. Like for example, if you're looking for a clothing brand logo, just simply write clothing logo. If you're looking for a gaming brand, gaming logo, photography logo, restaurant, football, and just simply add a niche in the front of the logo and then search for that particular logo. So let's say, for example, I want a logo for a clothing brand. So I'm going to search for clothing logo, and now all the logos related to clothing will appear right over here, as you can see. Now again, a lot of them will be paid. So you have to see which one suits with your brand, and then you have to pick one of them. Then when you find your desired logo, just simply choose that and it will be on the canvas over here. Now, once you have a rough template of a logo and you like the design and you like the style, just simply modify it depending on the name of your brand. Just simply add how you want to add. And if you want, you can always add elements from the elements panel over here. It's totally up to you. So in my case, I like the style over here, but I have to change the name. So I'm going to do that. So firstly, I'm going to change the big alphabets. So it's going to be RA. And now the center name. So just simply write your name over here and change other stuff if you want to. And then when you have your logo completely ready, as you can see right over here, go to the share option, then go to the download option, choose PNG. Then if you want a transparent background, choose this option right over here. And just for information, in order for you to choose transparent background, you will need to have the pro subscription, as you can see right over here. And after that, all you have to do is click on download, and now just simply click on save to a location. So that's how you get your logo. So if you like to get the subscription for Canva, you can get the link in the description box below. And if this video was helpful, please consider subscribing and liking the video.